Hi there, it's Emma Shackleton from Beacon School Support, and I wanted to share with you one thing to avoid doing when you're writing behaviour targets for your students, and how one simple change to the wording can make them as much as 24% more effective according to the research. So most targets in school follow the I can format, such as I can put up my hand to speak, or I can have safe hands and feet, that sort of thing. Now here's the thing, those work great for academic targets, like I can read 20 different phonemes, or I can add together 3-digit numbers, but they're not so great for behaviour change. Why? Well, research suggests that when it comes to behaviour, our brains react to triggers, and a target like I can put up my hand to speak doesn't include a trigger or a cue in. It doesn't say when to put the target into practice. So our brain is less likely to connect the target behaviour, putting up my hands to speak, to when I should apply it, such as in whole class time, meaning that I can targets simply don't have the impact that we want them to. So according to research, what should we replace them with? I'll let you into that secret in a minute, but before I do, I just wanted to let you know that we've got a really easy to watch whole video training module on this subject within our Strategy Hub and Behaviour 360 programs, where we walk you through writing the perfect behaviour target step by step, and we'll even give you downloadable examples of what effective targets look like, and that's for both primary and secondary pupils. I'll put links to the Strategy Hub and Behaviour 360 with this video. Oh, and by the way, the Strategy Hub is only open to new members at certain times of the year, so you have to act fast if you want to get in. Okay, so what should we replace the traditional I can targets with? Well, they're called implementation intentions, and they include a trigger or a specific situation in which the child should take action, and in schools they're worded like this. Instead of I can put up my hand and wait, we use when I'm in whole class time, instead of shouting out, I will put up my hand and wait. So it's trigger, old behaviour, new behaviour. Now we've been specific about exactly when we want the child to put up their hand and what we don't want them to do. In a similar way, I can have safe hands and feet becomes when I feel angry, instead of hitting or kicking, I will, and then you insert the positive behaviour that you'd like them to do. So it might be practice my deep breathing, or get help from the adult, or whatever works for the child. And when we do this, evidence has shown in a range of studies that just by writing targets in this way makes them 24% more effective. So the next time you write a behaviour target for your students, think implementation intentions, not I can targets, if you want to have the biggest impact. My name's Emma Shackleton. I'm co-founder of Beacon School Support. Thanks for watching.